Oh, he tried to hit him with a smoke screen. Y'all seen that shit, bro? Oh, what is he doing? Oh, he's lost his mind. He's losing his mind. Oh, YouTube. Face if you're new here, subscribe, like the video immediately. We gotta get more likes. Let's try to get 10 likes on this video. Also, if you're new here, follow me on Instagram. Boop. And like this post. Boop. That's how I know you rocking with me. Without further ado, we talking Hellcats. I expect all Hellcats to get away. Honestly, I don't expect Hellcats to get caught unless the driver is terrible. An Srt Durango is gonna try to get away. Oh man, I think we might have folded, guys. I mean, we found the Hellcat. It's just a very weird version of one. Let's get the police tailing, bruh. I'd be scared as hell when the police tailing me, bruh. Especially getting over like this. All right, yeah. I don't think you get away in a Durango though. I feel like that's just a little bogus to be trying to run in a Durango. I don't even care if you hit I don't care if you hit the whatchamacallit, like the interstate or not. It's gonna be very, very, very tough in a Durango. Oh no, this is rocky. If he pits this big ass truck, it might fall over. Why y'all hit the brakes so much? Oh, because you're not on the interstate no more. I'm like, bro. Oh, he's cooked. He is overly cooked. If the police wanted to, he could hit you right now. You're overly cooked. This might be a short load. This might be short. Drafting you? Oh man, he using NASCAR maneuvers on your ass. Okay, he gaining some speed right now. It's a slight gap, maybe like 30 yards. Uh-oh. It's not gonna go good. I knew it wasn't gonna go good, bruh. I knew that intersection was not gonna go good, bruh. I knew it. If I'm that Cadillac, bro, I'm switching. I'm whipping my car around, pulling up on y'all ass, bro. What the fuck? I don't know. That Cadillac had plenty of time to turn, bro. It seemed like he just wanted to get hit. Yeah. Oh yeah, I'm calling insurance now, bitch. Yeah, high speed chase hit me. Now you never in the wrong if a high speed get you. He kept going though. Crazy. Yeah, I would have stopped my car in the middle of the road. Fuck. God damn it! Shit! I stopped my shit in the middle of the road. Fuck! Police would hit me too. Everybody hit me. Everybody hit me. I'm sorry, bro. I'm getting a new Cadillac. He taking back roads in a Durango. Man, that ain't gonna help you, Brody. Not gonna help you. Why don't y'all ever do no GTA shit, bro? Why don't y'all call somebody on the phone and be like, hey, bro, like, I'm running from the police. I guess nobody else want to get involved, but like, bro, if somebody with a truck just came through an intersection and just whacked the cop and like y'all got away, I guess it would have to be a stolen car though. Yeah, that'd be a big risk. I don't know. Maybe I watch too many movies, guys, because that shit sounds stupid now I think about it. Another intersection. They finna fly through. Oh, he turned. Bro, you better not miss the shift. You better not miss the shift, buddy. You better get missing, buddy. I don't think this Durango gets even close to getting away. Uh-oh. He gonna have to turn. Oh. Police hit the brakes on that one. He was shook. He gonna need a couple more red lights like that for it to work. The fact that a police car gaining on him. Hitting the brakes. Keep hitting the brakes, bro. He's gonna need something. Oh, what is he doing? Oh, he trying to hit them crossover moves. That wasn't good, bro. That wasn't good. That was like a center trying to do a crossover, bro. That shit was weak. That shit was hella weak. I'm not gonna lie to you. I don't know if he thought he was gonna fake him out or what. He almost got me. He almost got himself though. He almost fell over or some shit. 100? That's it? Oh, yeah, nah. He don't need at least 180 to get away. He gonna need at least 180 to get away. I know that car that the police in probably topping out at 120. Oh, he is cooked. What is he driving through the dirt for? What is he driving through the dirt for? He finna get a flat tire. Oh, he tried to hit him with a smoke screen. Y'all seen that shit, bro? He tried to hit him with a smoke screen. Boy pulling out these Call of Duty moves, bro. What? That low-key was a smooth move, though. I ain't gonna lie. That was, like, kind of slick. If he had had a little bit more smoke, it'd have been straight. He going back for the smoke screen again. You gonna have to. Yeah. Oh, he trying to hit him with the smoke screen. Driving through there is wicked wild. The police got to do it. He could possibly get away. Uh-oh. The smoke screen didn't work. That was tough though. I'm not gonna lie. Now he's going against ongoing traffic. Oh, he's crazy. Yo, he's losing his mind. He's losing his mind. He is losing his mind. He's lost his top, guys. What the fuck? He lost his top.
The subject and us are going. We're gonna be going eastbound on Safe Fair.
Come on, bro. Like, he trying every move, bro. He using every trick in the book to get away from the police, and the police still on his ass. Calm as hell too, talking to his coworkers and shit. Might be over with for Brody. Might be over with for Brody. He by himself. It's a one-car pursuit. He ain't called for no help yet. Uh-oh, he getting away now. He is getting away now. I don't see him. He getting away low-key. I'll say about 80 yards now. Maybe 100. Look like he just slammed on brakes, though. Shit. I could just imagine how exhilarating it is. Imagine you having a normal ass day, bro. You about to do a routine traffic stop. You probably about to clock off, and then like some guy just takes off. Now you got a whole chase to do. I don't know. I think that would probably be the one part of policing that would be fun. Like just trying to catch someone. Like, yeah, it's a little scary, but it's like, all right, bet. Uh-oh, I think he's getting back on the interstate. Oh, look at that car. Oh, shit. Police hit a curb. Oh, he trying to hit him with a crossover. You gotta chill on them crossovers, bruh. He gonna cross himself. Car too big for that. Yeah, boys, it's about to be over, bro.
You're good, right? Got clear traffic.
Oh, what is he doing? Oh, he's lost his mind. He's losing his mind. Oh, the crossover's not working, bro. I told you you're too big for that shit. His crossovers are not working. I told you guys. Immediately told you guys. He too big to be trying to do crossover moves. Why do he keep trying that shit? Why was he trying this? You don't practice this, bruh. You do not. This is not a BMW. You can't be doing these type of crossovers, bruh. Look at this shit. Skirt. Cooked, bruh. Them niggas at the pizza shop don't know what hit them. Guys, this is just obviously the issue with this video, man. Why are you trying to do crossover moves in a Durango? It didn't work in the Scat. It didn't work in the regular Hellcat Charger. So Hellcat Durango, come on, bro. Not only did it not work, you never jumped on the interstate. That is rule number one. If you're trying to evade the police, you do not take them through a bunch of stuff where it's traffic. Then you try to go on the other side of the road. Them boys was shook. I know these cars were shook. That big ass truck coming at them, bro. Them cars were shook.
This game has gotten out of control.
If you haven't seen the last video, click the screen now, and you can see twin Chargers try to escape from GSP.